to Nutritia's Guide to Transition, from Neocate EO28 Splash to Neocate Splash. Why the change? Well, Nutritia is always looking to provide products with the most up-to-date nutrient levels in an innovative way. Neocate Splash is the first and only hypoallergenic, nutritionally complete amino acid-based drink. So pop in the straw and you're set to go. But you can also peel away the seal for easy pouring. Splash is great as a drink, but it can also be used as a tube feed. So how has Neocate Splash been improved? Well, the updates to the nutrition profile make it more similar to Neocate Junior. For most, the switch will be simple, and they will not need a transition period. However, sometimes change can be challenging, and we want to make things as easy as possible. Nutritia has worked with a feeding specialist to provide helpful transition tips. Your healthcare provider can also discuss the transition, and as always, feel free to reach out to Nutritia's dedicated nutrition specialist. A great technique for transitioning to help increase the likelihood of acceptance of a new formula is fading. It works by mixing a small amount of something new into something that has already been accepted. Gradually, the percentage of the new formula is increased until the transition is complete. Some will take to the new formula quickly, while others may be more gradual in transitioning. But keep in mind that transitioning is not a race and forward progress is an accomplishment. Once you begin fading, try not to return to Neocate EO28 Splash. Instead, decrease the amount of the new Neocate Splash. And remember, if you don't succeed, don't give up. Research shows that trying a new food may require 20 exposures. 20 exposures! So if on the first attempt it's rejected, don't assume that your child doesn't like it, but rather that something new takes some time getting used to. Let me show you how to do this. For example, if using an 8-ounce glass, simply fill the glass with 6 ounces of Neocate EO28 Splash and top it off with 2 ounces of the new and improved Neocate Splash. On day 2, fill the glass with 4 ounces of each of the formulas. On day 3, you can increase to 6 ounces of Neocate Splash and only 2 ounces of Neocate EO28 Splash. And by day 4, you're all set to transition to Neocate Splash. Let's keep the conversation going and move on to practical tips now that we've got feeding strategies covered. Provide choices. Providing options puts you and your child in control. For example, ask or consider for yourself. Would you prefer tropical fruit or grape flavor? Would you prefer a cup or the straw? There are great options to choose from. Tropical fruit, grape, orange pineapple, and unflavored. Despite the number of choices, sometimes it's all in how it's presented. Consider getting a better sense of the changes, such as exploring by using your 5 senses. Ask, what does it look like? What does it smell like? Play with it. The new straws make for very fun fangs. Providing Neocate Splash in an environment with little or no distraction, where the focus can really be on the meal or beverage, is helpful. Consider that most of how we learn to eat is through observation and positive experiences. Modeling behavior is a way to communicate that it's okay to try something new. Faking it is not okay, as it's modeling that faking or pretending consumption is acceptable. By creating a routine of providing meals and beverages at regular time intervals, you can establish predictability, promote hunger, and provide opportunities for exposure to Neocate Splash. This routine may also encourage development such as socialization, feeding skills, and language. Remember, when making any change, consistency is vital for continued success. The more consistent, the better the outcome. We certainly want to do our best to help make this transition as easy as possible. But if you feel the changes are a little too bumpy, talk to your healthcare provider about seeking help from a feeding specialist. You can also visit neocate.com/splash to access transitioning resources such as guides, videos, and even fun coloring sheets for kids to help familiarize them with the new Neocate Splash. We are so excited about the new and improved Neocate Splash. We wish you much success in your transition.